Ay, game na ba? Yo, sa mga tropa nga pala si Delson Joseph at welcome sa Cuphead. Yes, kami dalawa ni Bimboy magto 2 player. Pinahiram kami ng controller ni Tito John Ray. Shoutout sa'yo, Tito John Ray. Yes. Hey. Okay, start. I'll be Bugman. Kasi ito, alam ko na yung mismong animation na ito. Napanood ko yung Netflix. Pero yung laro hindi. Cuphead, don't deal with the devil. You don't have to tell me twice. Once upon a time, in a magical place called Inqua Isle, there were 2 brothers named Cuphead and Bugman. They lived without a care under a watchful eye for an wise elder kettle. Yes. Oh my gosh, I remember this ending ng season 3. One day, the 2 boys wandered far from home and despite the elder kettle's many warnings, ended up in the wrong side of the tracks and entered the Devil's Casino. Inside, Cuphead and Bugman soon found themselves on a winning streak at the craps table. Hotdog! Exclaimed King Dice, the casino's lazy manager. These fellas can't lose. Nice one, boys. Love a newcomer, the brother Gaps. He was the casino's owner, the devil himself. How about we raise the stakes? He suggested with a toothy grin. Win one more room, and all the loot in my casino is yours. The devil boom. But if you lose, I have your sauce. Deal? Bro! Bakit ka pupusta ng kaluluwa mo sa maraming pera? Anong halaga ng kaluluwa mo sa pera, ha? Ay, boy. Diba? Ba't ka pupusta sa devil? Cuphead, oh my gosh, blinded by easy riches, Dory then grabbed the dice for a choke. Good gosh, Cuphead, no! Cried Mugman, for he understood the danger, but it was too late. Snake eyes! Laughed the devil while slamming the floor. You lose. The brothers trembled in fear as he looked over them. Now about those souls. The brothers pleaded for their very lives. There must be another way to repay you, Mugman stammered. Ikaw, boy.
Yes, Master, Cuphead added.
Yes! For us there is. The devil snickered, pulling out a parchment. I have a run of my runaway debtors. Collect their souls for me and I might just pardon your 2 mugs. Now get going! The devil roared, kicking the boys out of Droldy. You have to midnight to collect every one of those souls. Otherwise, I'll be collecting yours. My God. Cuphead and Mugman were jumping and fighting and right away as fast as they could. Go, ikaw.
Simon Moon, wanted Cuphead, we have to find the Elder Kettle. Hell no, what to do?
Hey, let's go, boy. Tatarin mo ako. Yeah, boy. Ay, wait, alam ko yung boses na ito ni Elder Kettle. Wanna find pickle boys got into. I don't know, you don't want to be found of the devil, but if you refuse, I can't bear to imagine your fate. You must play for a wrong now. Collect those contracts and you'll be the best ready for some nasty business. Your detective friends will be friendly once you confront them. In fact, I expect they'll start transferring to a terrible beast. Take this potion so they won't hang you out dry. It will give you the most remarkable magical abilities. Abilities? Ability. Now go to my writing desk and use the mystical ink there. You need to prepare for yourself for a scrap. Yo, hey, go. Tara sa tutorial. Okay. Duck. Hold out. Oh, wait, jump. Wait, paano to? Go boy, go. Paano sa'yo hindi mo nakikita yung controller? Basta may mapindot ka na lang. Go, talon boy.
Ay,
Go. Yun. Descend. Shoot. Silak. Okay.
ito?
Okay. What the frick? Very slap. First. Oh, boy.
Ay,
Go. Ay, go boy. Go boy. Hey, go, angas.
sino?
Resurrect. Revive your dead power with the perfect time parry to the ghost. Yeah. X move. V. Damn. Uy, pero. Tara. Tara dito boy. What is this? Hey fellas, looks like you're ever around, eh? Well, I used to be same way, always getting in trouble, running, jumping, shooting. But now, I prefer just throwing around and going to the pictures. But hey, let me give you a hand. Take this. Sheesh! Okay. What is this? Uy, shop! Is this the pork guy? Yung freaking, baboy. It is a chaser. Long range with below average damage. No aim required. Oh, pang potato man. Ano yun sa'yo boy? Roundabout. Great average. Spread. Short range with great attack if you get close to your target. Roundabout. I go spread. Ikaw boy, ano sa'yo? Uy, lover. Medium range with good damage with lower rate of fire. Ikaw boy, ano sa'yo? Ano yung binili mo? Roundabout. You got to equip those new virtues if you want to use them. Look at your equip card, your bombs. Okay.
Paano? Ay,
Now exit. Super. Wow. Charm. List. Oh, we have World 1, 2, 3, and Finale. So, Soul Contracts, 5. Ano tong dalawa? Dito nga muna tayo sa kulib. Forest Palace, Run and Gun. Okay. Run and Gun. Try mo kasi yan, boy. Okay, Run and Gun. Ano yun? Uy! Tara, diretso lang, boy. Diretso. Okay, uy, pera boy, pera kunin mo. Kunin mo. Uy. Uy, okay. Look at this flower, dude. Aray! Okay. Uy, is that kulay pink? Sampalata? Oh, pwede, guys. Ito rin pink ulit. Ay, gawin nabubuhay yung kulay blue. Oh.
yay, nakipaboral ako.
Doon na yung palit. Oh, ay, nice one, boy. You're dead.
Ay,
You're dead, boy. Tara, boy, hintayin kita dito. Mabubuhay ito eh. Uy, ano yan? Uy, ano yan? Lang, kunin ko to.
ay,
Sabay yung pagkatalo natin dalawa. Lang, tuloy-tuloy lang. Ay! Joke lang pala. Okay, pwede sampalin yun. Basta. Wait, meron nga pala tayong super, no? Oh! Look at that. You're dead, boy.
I'm dead.
Uy! Boy! You're dead again.
Sasampal na.
Wait, okay ba yung ano? Try ko nga mag-pay shooter. Like it doesn't matter. Nice, I got it. Aray! Oh, we need to dash here. Wait lang.
You need to dash ring.
Uy, muntik na ako dun. Ay! Uy, nice one, clutch, boy. Ah! Boy, save me! Oh my God, big boy, no! Ay! Nakatingin ka sa taas.
Phew.
Uy!
Ngayon na nangyari ka akin kanina, di ba?
Aray, bakit ganun? Sinasakto yung talon ko. Oh my God. Uy! Ano to? May boss pa sa dulo. Tara, tara, tara. Uy! Nalito ako! No! Boy!
Nalito nga
Nauna ka
ako eh.
kasi.
Ang daming bumaba rin eh.
Kaya ka to, kaya ka to, kaya ka to.
Dash lumilipad. Kami, Wed.
Oh! Uy! Bro. Hindi. Okay, sa balik ilag na lang tayo, di ba? Wait, nabubuhay ito eh. Wait lang. Mushroom, lumabas ka at mamatay. Yes. Sheesh! Recording of 30 minutes. Hey! Let's get it. SC bonus. B+. Sheesh! Uy, may bridge na tayo dito. Okay. Wait lang, tignan muna natin yung shop, boy. Parang okay yung baril mo eh, yung roundabout. So, bali, pang malapitan lang yung aking ano. Ano itong smoke? Smoke bomb. Invincible dash. You will not take out during a dash. A great defense na. Ito na lang muna ako. Tingnan natin dito sa bridge, boy. Okay, ano meron dito? There's a axe guy up there. Oh, what is this? Uy, may isda. Vegan spirits? Oh wait, you're real. I was about to eat you with the old very rude. That's how you deal with ghosts around here. Only I need to try shooting at someone who ain't really there. Speaking of not being places, would you fellas mind moving on? It's cooking the fish. Nangingisda ang isda. What is this? Mausoleum 1. Oh boy. Ano to, boss? Help! Bakit? Ano to? Paano natin tulungan to? Uy! Cook!
Sasambalin.
Oo. So, bali, hindi nga natin siya namabaril dahil nawala.
Ako dito.
Sige, sige. Sa kanan.
Ay!
Good boy. Anong meron ba dito sa ano? Paano natin buksan ko? Wait, so bali parang defense game lang siya. Yung wag lang natin siya papalapitin dito kung ano man to. Wait, nababawasan ba ako pag hindi natin sinasampal? Hindi. Uy, ang bilis ko na. Dang! Look at that, boy. Oh. Damn, first try. Oh. Ano yun? Gosh, I don't know. How? Thank you boys for saving me. Oh, it's Miss Chalice. Where are my manners? I didn't even introduce myself. I'm known as a legendary Chalice. Pleased to meet you. I was searching for magic and got trapped by those girls. Speaking of magic, please accept this gift. It should help. There are other mycelium around in the isle. I just wondered. You unlock new super! Dear me! You guys forget the magical super arms have to be equipped in the main before use. Yeah! Super art. Devastating attack spells from your head horizontally only. Ground and air. Ah. Sheesh. Oh, what is this?
Ano yan?
The legendary challenge being me to carry you to a message. She needs your help. Afar of Isle, a mysterious discovery. Dear the world always let us.
だが断る。
Lupe the Grande. Rus of Anus. Uy, nagbaw. Uy! Freak, ang bilis!
Tik na yan.
Lalapit lang ako para sa maximum damage. Uy, uy, uy! Hala ko eh. Look at that chick, bullcrap man. No,
At
boy!
sabi na nga. Putik na yan.
Brr, boom! Ah! Boy, save me! Save me! Sakto yung talon. With a face like mine, is it crime to bouncing all the time? Yes! Boy, look at that dash! So freaking save me, boy! Save me! Nice one!
Save me!
Oh! Look at that clutch! Huwag tayo magtabi, boy. Sabay tayo mamamatay. No! Sayang. It's up to me now. Oh, what is he doing now? Hey, handsome slab, real pair, 1 pound,
Ang pangit na
sarat-sab.
mukha.
Hindi, parang nagrarandom sa lang siya.
Uy! Ikaw na kayo ko.
Paano ko nagawa yun? Ah, ba kailangan 5 yung... Ah!
Ay, sayang! Mag-ulti na ako!
Boy! I sacrificed my health. He's dead.
He's
What?
dead!
What? Boom! Oh! Boy! Boom! Oh! Muntik na ako. Oh! Boy! Rambo! Oh! Boy, save me! Nice one! Ilag-ilag lang boy, baril-baril. Oh! Boy! Boy, mamatay na boy! Ah! Ay! Ah! Boy, hey! Save me! Go! Baril boy! Baril-baril lang! Wala kang damage boy! Hindi ka tumatalon-talon! Ang nakakatakot ang baba ng talon niya minsan. Ah! No! Boy! Ayaw na! What? Ako bahala dito boy. Watch me, watch me. Boom! Ay, no maximum damage yung pag ano. Oh! I don't know how I read it! I did it again! Oops, I did it again. Ay! Nag-reach ako. Ano ba sindo? Oh, baby, baby. Okay, how did it? Hey, fairy, super meter, skill
Ay!
2. Hey! Minus. Hey, may hagdanan na dun. Wait, may tao din sa taas. Soul contract, Gupel Le Grande. What is this? Feeling ko nerd to. Salamin pa lang eh. What's that? You two want to play in the plane? You want to play in the plane like I do? Ha! You're not sitting in the cockpit till you study those blueprints. I told you he's a freaking nerd. Airplane blueprint. Okay. X, Fire, Special B, wait lang. Ferry. Ah. Super meter, super bamboo. Ew.
Ano to?
Boo. Hildeberg in Tritylin and Zeppelin. Oh! Oh, is that grill? Sa season 2. Yes, I know this freaking grill. Oh! Tinamaan agad tayo ng ha. Sampal. Okay. Ang kulit to na to. Ano? Uy, meron kulit rin sa baba. Boy. Oh. Bumabalik siya, oh. Uy, sampal. Uy. Oh! Okay, gets ko na yung pattern niya. So, bali, gaganon siya ng konti. Kailangan mabilis ang reaction time mo. Sampal! No, boy! No! Sayang! Sorry, boy. Nag-merp kasi ako eh. Oh, nagulat ako doon sa hotdog! Nakatingin ako sa isang kape. The freak is this? Ito yung kambal. Wait, I just realized, so jack yung ginagamit niya. Wow, 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 wow. Ew. Boom. Uy, 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 uy. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. Muntik na ako.
Ay, maldita po pa.
What the freak? What? Paano natin mailagan yan? You lose too soon. I was only the half moon. Okay, gets ko na yung medyo gets ko na yung pattern niya. Pag tinamaan ka na hotdog ka. Uy, ba't nandiyan ka lang? Tinamaan ka tuloy. Paano ilagan to? Ah, ganun lang ako. Wala na tayong buhay, dalawa boy. Boy, ligtas mo ko! Nice one!
Sinampal yung ha.
Sinampal yung ha.
Sinampal ko yung ha kanina eh.
Real! Boom! O, ano naman to? What the fuck is you?
Scoopy to.
I gave a second chance to Cupid.
Scoopy to.
Ay, stupid. Sumusunod yung bala, boy. Yung boom!
Boom, mamamatay ako.
Hindi, nandito ako eh. Papunayin mo yan mo, boy. Yung super maker mo para... Pumunta na. Ubus yung buhay natin, boy! Putik na, yung ha. Boy, sabay tayo, sabay tayo. Pag, ano to? What the frick?
Babaliw.
Nagimon. Boy, ulti! Ulti, sabay tayo! Ew! Boom! Boom! Ah! May star. Oh!
Alien.
Yo, what? Ha? Di ko gets. Oh! Okay, okay. Gets ko siya, gets ko siya. So, bali, yung pula ay atake siya pag nakita ka. Tapos yung ano, yung brown, advance. Tapos, panalo na. Yeah! Ilan try yun? Tatlo.
Tatlo.
A ulit to, A.
B.
B! Let's get it. B, sorry boy. Bakit ang ginawa mo?
Tinigdan lang.
Kill the bird. Give me that soul, girl. Okay. They did that. Let's talk to this guy first. What you looking at? My chip? Ha! It's not my fault. I've been busy fighting off those casino debtors. Now I'm gonna save up to have my blade fixed. So help me, I wish someone would bust that King Dice one. Oh, don't worry. We're on the way. Shoot up trouble. Run and gun. Oh no. Run and gun na naman.
Yung run and gun, ayun yung pinakamahirap.
Oo. Yung
Ay, isa
boss,
sa
medyo,
boss.
yung boss medyo nahirapan tayo. Pero kasi dito ang dami nangyayari. Run and gun. Okay. Oh! What? Uy, sampal. Ano yung nababaril ba itong ibon, no? It's a woodpecker. Boy! Asan ka, boy? Oh. Boy! What? Hindi ko nasampal yun. Bro. Uy, that was actually nice. Ah! Boy, save me! Kala ko mamamatay yun. Wait lang, tayo natin itong woodpecker. 1, 2, 3, talon!
Talon na.
Talon! We invite you to our tree. Only members are welcome, you see?
Masi!
Uy. What? No! Paano to? Wait, what?
Nasa world 1 pa lang tayo, nahihirapan na tayo. Paano kung nasa world 2 na kagad tayo? Paano yung final boss na ito? Hindi abot pa tayo. Uy! Boy, tara. Bug.
Ipig.
Sabay.
Sabay.
Sabay namatay.
Sabay.
Sabay mamatay ka mo. Aray, boy, save eh. Nice one, boy.
Ay, may gumagulong pala.
Hindi, wala. Paano yun? Dito ka pumas, no? Tapos ganun. Ah.
Ah.
Oh! Boy, save me! No! Tagal mag-spawn. Sorry, boy.
Ano?
It's up to me.
Nasampay mo yung palagay mo kanina?
Oo.
Uy, bubuyog.
Oh, freak si Bumblebee.
Bumblebee.
Feeling. Uy,
Hindi, may
gagawin dito. What the freak is this guy?
Laki ng ilong.
Pinocchio.
Tapos may mataba na ilong.
Okay. So, bali pataas tayo. Oh my gosh, meron na naman. Oh.
Oh,
Huwag lang tayo matamaan. This freaking bee, man. Uy, sampal. Nice. Paano imagine nagkamali ako? Doon, boy! Pwede lang ba natin ilagad to? Ito nga lang testing ko nga. Ito lang, siguraduhin ko walang bubuyog na lalabas para mata... Oh! Muntik na ako doon. Nakita mo yung boy na timingan ko yung baril niya. Okay. Rarap, boom! Wararap, boom!
amiweg.
Uy!
Amiweg.
Wala. Hindi ako luma. I hate this platforming, man.
Bumblebee kasi.
I knew it.
Uy,
Oh! Muntik na ako.
kaya may coin.
But I don't really trust that.
Hindi ako naniniwala dyan.
Are you, gusto ko kunin yung coin. Wait. Okay. Ah, bumabalik sila. Okay. So, mabait sila, I guess. I hate this platforming, man. Okay. Malapit na ako. Sige boy, tuloy lang. Kulit mo.
Balo pa to eh.
Ikaw yung patay. You know what? Ilagang ko na lang to.
Pas.
Speedrun. Tininin. Tin. 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 Tininin. Tin. 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 Panis. Feeling ko may boss sa dulo. Uy!
Kasi may umaano sa ilalim.
I don't even know what you mean by that. Dahil may bumabara sa ilalim, ano yung may kalaban sa baba? Ayun, mga ngala yung kamay ko. Uy, may coin! Yes! Ah, ganun. Okay. Uy! What the frick? Ano ka? Iyo, what? Ha?
Mag-ingat ka.
No! Oh my gosh, that was clash. Boom! Patayin mo! I did it! Okay, now what?
Meron pa ata. Uy,
Oh, I'm gonna dash to that. Yung...
A+.
A lang. A. Kapit, ang dami na natin coin. Tara, bili ulit tayo sa kay Baboy. Welcome. Okay ba itong roundabout? Try ko nga ito.
Ano to?
Charge. Ano to? Speed sugar. Automatic parry. The first try mo is
Chaser.
Pag-chaser ka na lang, boy. Kasi hindi mo na kailangan tutok yan. Automatic parry.
Ano tong charge?
Charge. Hold attack to increase damage, no rapid fire. So, bali, i-hold mo yung atake, tapos pag nag-charge na bitawan mo para bumaril. So, bali, hindi siya yung tad-tad. So, bali, gagawin lang siya. Pang! Pang! Ganun. So, bali, ilag-ilag ka muna agad sa mag-charge, tapos pang!
Pero masakit.
Oh! The root pack, botanic pan. Root pack! Is that the tree, guys? Yung isa umiiyak dun eh. Kasi nga hindi pa nag-uumpisa, pwede ka kagad bumaril eh. Tingnan mo ah. Nakahold yung baril ko. Pero di ba? Uy! 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 It's that guy! Okay, uy, pwede sampalin yun kasi kulit eh. Aray! Tara, boom! Boy, ang bilis! Aray!
Tingnan ang bilis.
Wait, I think I know his pattern. So, bali pang-apat niya yung nasasampal. Oh, he's dead.
Yung ano? Ang bilis naman nun.
Uy! Gulat ako. Boy, bilis baril! Ito nga yun yung umiiyak eh. Pinagtripan nila kapit. No, boy, nasa kabila ako. Oh. Sasampalin ko lang eh. Hey, little guy, it's okay if you have to cry. Bro, ikaw yung umiiyak, hindi ako. So, bali masakit yung damage siya pag bumabalik yung bala. Kasi yun nabasa ko eh. So, bali nakatalikod lang tayo. Ganyan. Testing nga natin kung ano. Tabi na lang tayo boy paglabas ng ano nang umiiyak. Para ano maligtas kita pag namatay ka. Huwag ka lang malilito boy ah. Huwag ka lang malilito. Gagamitin ko spread shot kasi pamalapitan eh. Bumaril ka. Titiil lang sa taas boy. Aray.
Nakakalito.
Mamatay ka pa eh. I told you. Pag lang tayo magtabi-tabi ng sobra kasi pwede tayo mamatay ng sabay. Let's go! Okay na, what? Uy!
What is this?
Boom! What the frick? Carrots with a demon. Hindi ko alam na ganito siya sa laro. Uy! Uy! Wow! Wow! Uy! No! Sa bali, sumusunod lang yun. Tapos boom! Tapos boom! Boy, gamitin mo yung ano mo. Boom! Boom! Asan ako? Alito ako. Boy, saan ka bumabaril? Boom! Boom! Aray! Boy, save me, boy! Baril-baril ka na lang. Baril-baril ka na lang. Ilag-ilag, boy! What the fuck did you do?
Ang galing. Ang
Malapit
galing.
na eh.
Ang galing.
Malapit na eh.
Ang galing.
Ikaw dyan sa likod, ako dito. Ikaw na yung nasa likod. Ikaw pa rin yung na-atake. Boy, ginagawa parang ang bilis. Namatay ka kagad. Oh. Baril ka rin. Mag-spread shot ka, boy. Mas masakit yung dami sa spread shot. Tapos tuto ka lang sa taas. Tapos ilag ka na lang sa ano. Ano, ganyan, o. Diba? Best pattern, bro. Pag mabilis, dash out. Boom. Boom! Boom! Tingnan natin kung mabubuhat mo ko. Ilag! Okay. Oh my gosh, ba't mo tinalunan? Malapit na mo eh! Uy! Baril-baril lang tayo. Baril mo yung mga carrots ha. Ilag! Uy, muntik ka na doon boy! Muntik ka na doon boy! Nice, nice. Boom! Sakto yun, boy. Sakto pa yun. Nice one, boy.
Yan, may tulong na rin ako.
Ay, ang galing mo dun, boy, ah. You actually did better. What the frick? Time. Then, syempre. Hey! All contract. The root pack. Yes. One of the easy boss, man. I'll be among us uncle if I putting my mola in the bag. For all I know, the devil probably controls that place too. They'll never get a hold of my gold if I spread it all around. And if some Joe happens to find a coin or two for him, I too good for him. That's what I said. Okay, what is this? Is this the boat of the freaking ano yung dalawang magkapatid na nagsusuntukan? Rebel Croc sila nga! In clip join Calamity. Calamity is the wonder of you.
Banda over you.
freaking dalawa yung magkapatid boy, yung dalawang makulit, yung nagsusuntukan palagi, si Ribby and Crooks. Sila nga! Wow, nakaano sila, hindi sila nakataksido ah. Okay. O ano? Aray! What? Okay. Okay! Kalma pre, kalma! Nagkakadukin eh.
Adukin!
Pero boom! O ano, atake nito isa. O baril mo yan boy, baril mo yan. So bali sa likod lang tayo boy, sa likod lang tayo. Baril-baril mo yung mga yan ako dito sa ano kay, sino ba to, si Croc. Boy! Panis! Look at that gameplay man. Okay, okay. Oh. Talon dash! Nice. Oh boy! Mutik ka na. Spread, spread. Aray, bukasan ako doon. Boy, huwag ka masyado malapit. Oh, no! Nice, 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 nice. Oh, I almost got killed there. Okay, boy. Nice one. Nice one, boy. Okay, good shit, good shit. Oh! Boy, huwag ka kasi diretso na diretso. Nice.
Uy, machine!
What the freak, kinain yung kapatid niya? Ha?
Ay, may queen pala lumalabas.
Wait, sasampalin natin to kasi parang hindi siya nababawasan. Ano yan? Demonyo? What? Ha? Ano tumama sa atin? Yung apoy! Kala ko madali lang, yun yung ka lang. Double kill tayo din na. Okay, alam na natin gagawin natin. Oh, spread shot boy, barilin mo yung mga lumilipad. Mag spread shot ka, spread shot. Yan, ako dito sa mga to. Very good, very good, very good. Tapos ayun, ganun. Oh boy, una niyan, baba ah. Kasi alam ko na yung pattern eh. Sunod-sunod lang. Nice, nice, nice. Pag madikit yung braso mo sa akin, ay kiliti ako. Yung spread shot, barilin mo yung mga bubuyog. Talon dash. Spread shot pag dito kasi malapitan. Oo, boy! Boy, wag ka masyado malapit. Sabi sa'yo, wag ka masyado lumapit. Eh, dahan-dahanan mo lang din. Masama talaga pag sinobrahan mo. Masakit yun. Boy, oh my God, sorry boy.
Nakakal kasi.
Ang gusto may nakain ng kasariling kapatid. Hindi na nangyari sa palabas to.
Putik na yan. Naging machine.
Sa bali, hindi nga siya nababawasan ng buhay. Okay. Ano to?
Ayun pala ka.
Ah, ganun lang. Ah, so guys, sa talon ako sa pangalawa. Okay. 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 It's easy. It's easy. It's easy. Okay. Oh, it's the frog again. Wait, parang nag-iiba yung speed. Oh! Second try. Di ba tayo nahirapan sa 2v2 na yun? That was freaked up man. Ang dali. Sayang ang perfect na rin ako dito mabang. Hey, we did it boys. Hey! Hey, let's get it. Hey! River and Crooks. Yeah, goodbye mga kapatid na makulit. Bilita ako lalaki. Kage Incarnation. Fluorescent Fury. What? Tayo na-enter ko kagad eh. Let me guess, is it a sunflower? It is. The freaking guy man. Whoa! Hey! Nay! Hey! Hey! Okay. Bro. Magano ka lang, barili mo yung mga... Boy! Oh my gosh, yun pala yun. Bali sa ano siya pa... Aray! What? Saan ang galing yung tumama sa akin? Ay, yung maliit. Oh my gosh, we're gonna die, boy. Ah, okay. I know his pattern. Pag gano'n. Aray! Boy, you're dead. Nice. You're good. Pag ano ka, mag-roundabout ka na lang, boy. Sumusunod yung bala. Okay. What? Ano ito mama sa akin? Goodbye, boy. Go, good luck, good luck. Ulti. Wait lang. Ay, akin pala yun yung card. Kaya pala tatako, ba't hindi dumadag? Oh! Oh my gosh. Boy, barili boy mga bulaklak. Napaepal. Baba tayo boy. Barili mo yung mga bulaklak boy ah. Nahanap ko yung kulay pink eh. Boy, nasa taas mo! Ay, sabi sa'yo nasa taas eh. No, ganun lang. Sampalin mo yung pink boy pag nakita mo. No boy! Oh no boy, save me! Nice one! Oh! Wow! Oh, the greatest clutch of history 69! Boy, dapat nakatalikod ka eh. Ay, sorry. At saka first, ngayon mo lang ako nakakasa. Uy! Okay, ganun pala yun.
Yun lang yung natulong ko sa'yo.
Oh! No!
Kuya, no? Tama ako.
Oo.
Hindi nagtulong.
Oh! Oh!
Ganun mo.
Okay, I need to...
Sinusunod.
Ay, hindi. Kulay pink eh. Ano may kita? Ano yun, di ba sampal yung kulay pink, boy? Lahat ng kulay pink sinasampal, di ba? Galing. Na-first try ko yung final phase.
Okay.
Cagni Carnation. Yeah, let's go to this freaking the die house. What? Well, hey down the pip. Looks like your boys really put the cabals on the beggars. You can head on over to the next aisle. Plenty more marks for you to lean on there. Ano palang boy, Guys, hang on. Thanks the stars I come with you. I believe I found a way out of the mess you're in. Go.
Hotdog! You have...
Your strength is growing. You'll soon be a match for that no good King Tyson, maybe even the devil himself. Golly, do you really think? I do, but you never get close to the devil unless you already have those souls contract in hand. Only then will you get a chance to turn the tables on that feed. So when that time comes, do the right thing. So bale, pipili ka kung masama o hindi. Yes, goods. So bale, I will do the right thing. Whoa, look at the second word. Ano to? Ba't malungkot to? Forever head of barbershop trio. If you can find our fourth member, we'll never sound right again. Be a pal and let us know if you're spotted, won't you? Okay, I will find it. Oh, it's that guy. Boy, tara! Ayun si Tanda. Ito yung nagbigay ng best kay Cuphead eh. Yung para hindi siya maano ng devil. I remember this. Through all your battles and all my rights, you have failed the first 129 times. Tingnan mo ilang beses tayo namatay, boy.
No! Weh! Utik na hand!
Hindi rin ako makapaniwala eh. Oh, is this nerd again?
Good timing, fellas. I just added an upgrade on the airplanes. You can wallop your foes with bombs. Just switch your weapon whenever it strikes your fancy. Try it out.
Nakakantok daw sa long journey, man. Yeah, nag-enjoy ka ba dun, boy? Si Cuphead ni Mugman. Ito, kaya bagay sa kanya si Cuphead kasi makulit siya. Yes, ako si Mugman kasi... Ako si Mugman, Kulay blue. So yun nga mga tropa, kung gusto nyo pa na itong part 2 sa Inquire R2,
Comment.
comment lang at like. Pero alam ko naman walang ganong mangyayari.
Saan meron?
kahit naman walang magsuporta sa atin, record pa rin tayo. Kasi trip natin yun eh. Gusto natin na maparin yung sarili natin eh. Ito, honest na to. Wala nang cut to. Honest na kami. Wala naman talaga gaano nagko-comment. Walang gaano nagla-like. Yes, that's the reality of the small YouTubers. Pero umaasa kaming balang araw sisikat din kami, di ba? Yes. So we're gonna be humble. Kahit sumikat tayo, huwag natin kalimutan lahat ng mga kunyari, uy, pag sumikat ka na, huwag mo kami kalimutan. Ayun, ganun. Pag may nag-comment ng ganun, aalalahin kita pare, kasi naman yun. Pero wala pa nagko-comment nun, di ba? So yun nga mga tropa, kung nag-enjoy kayo, magbigay kayo ng
Like,
comment,
share,
at subscribe para mag-iisang
at tropa.
yeah! Nantok na ako.